Hello everyone, welcome to Skills Build Training YouTube channel. Myself Muhammad Zubair, and this channel is all about showing you how to become an IT pro really fast. So the topic of today's video is how to use TeamViewer remote control for Windows or Mac. So without any further ado, let's get started. TeamViewer is a secure and fast all-in-one solution for gaining access to networks and computers remotely. It has a range of powerful remote access features, and that makes it easy to have remote control meetings and maintaining a cloud-based service desk. In simple words, TeamViewer allows you to have remote meetings, remote control of different devices, or you can have remote control of different systems across the network. In this video, I will show you how to download it, how to install it, and then I will show you a demo that how we can use TeamViewer. To download your TeamViewer, go to your favorite browser and just write TeamViewer download and just hit enter, and you will get a link from the official website of TeamViewer. And here it says TeamViewer Windows download for remote desktop access. If you want to download it for Mac, you can always go for Mac. And you have Raspberry Pi as well. I'm going to download it on Windows, so I will just click on it. And here it says download 64-bit version, or you can download 32-bit version. If your system is 64-bit, you can download either of these two. But it is recommended to go with the specification of your system. So now my system is 64-bit, so I'm going to download 64-bit version. So I will just click on it, and as I have already downloaded it, so that is why it says this file already exists in your download list. So you will download it from here, and now I will just cancel it, and now I will go to the directory where I have downloaded my TeamViewer, and I will show you how we can install it. And here I'm in the directory where I have downloaded my TeamViewer setup file, and now I will install it. So just double click on it or just hit enter, and here you have two options. First one is default installation and other one is run only. I'm going with default installation. After that, click on this button which says accept next, and here it has started the installation process. It will take very little time, so we will wait and let's see what happens next. Here we have three options. First one is for those who want to use TeamViewer for commercial features. Second one is for those who are using this as a free version. And last one is for those who already have subscription of TeamViewer, so they can go with this option. So at the moment, I'm going with the free version because I want to use it for personal use. So I will just click on that option, and after that I'll click on finish. And now what will happen? It will launch my TeamViewer at my workspace. So let me close this one and let me minimize this one, and let me close this one as well. I will show you how we can open our TeamViewer as well. Go to the search area, or you can say search bar of your Windows, or press Windows key and now write TeamViewer, and here it is. Just hit enter, and that is how you can access your TeamViewer after the installation in your system. I have shown you how to download and install TeamViewer in Windows. In terms of Mac operating system, the process of downloading, installation, and the process of how to use TeamViewer is same in both operating systems. So now this is the dashboard, or you can say the default look of TeamViewer. Here we are under the remote control section, and here we have a label which says your ID, and then we have password. ID means this is my identity and this is my password. Means if someone wants to access my system, or you can say my computer, he or she needs this ID, and after entering this ID they will need the password. And what I will do, I will give them this ID and password so that they can have access to my system. And at the moment I have downloaded and installed TeamViewer into an other machine as well, and I have done that just to show you that how TeamViewer actually works. Now what I'm gonna do, I'm going to give this ID and password to my other machine, and I will access my machine from that machine. One thing is important here, and that is you can change your password every time you want to share it with someone. So for that, just click on this round arrow button and now click on create new random password, and here it is. Every time you click on it, it will create a new random password. I will do it once more. And now what I'm going to do, I'm going to access this machine from another machine. And down here, it says incoming connection, means someone is trying to access my machine. And now it says awaiting authentication, means the machine from which I'm trying to access my machine, that machine is asking for the password. And now I'm going to give this password in that machine and I will be able to access this machine from my other machine. So wait for it, let me enter my password in other machine. And now it says incoming connection, means authentication has been done and now we are getting connected with each other. And here you will notice that you have an arrow here, and if you hover on it, it will say allow or deny controls. So I will just click on this arrow to allow the controls to my other machine, and now click on this downward arrow button, and from here click on allow control. Now what it means I'm allowing other machines to have access to my machine. So I will show you how I can do that. So I will open my Google Chrome, and yes, I'm able to do that. If I want to shift through my tabs, I can do that as well. Even if I want to create or delete some files or folder, I can do that as well using TeamViewer. Now I have shown you that how I can access from other machine to this machine. And now I will show you that how I can access other machine from my machine. For that, let me close the connection. For that, you just need to hit this crossbar and your connection will get closed. Okay, this is my TeamViewer, and now what I'm going to do, I'm going to access the other machine from my machine. For that, I need to enter the ID for the machine which I want to access, and I will enter the ID here. And now I will just click on this button which says connect, and now it is connecting to my partner. So we will wait for it to get completed, and after that it will ask for the password. And now I will enter the password of the machine which I want to access. So I will write the password here, and after that just click on button which says log on, and we are connecting to our partner machine at the moment. Now I will give the access to my machine so that it can control the other machine which I want to connect. So let me give that permission from my other machine, and here I have already done that. So now I can access this machine. So let's open browser here and let's see if we can access this or not. Yes, we can access the browser as well. So with the help of TeamViewer, you can perform any action on the connected machine which you can perform on your own machine. So this is how powerful and easy it is to use TeamViewer. TeamViewer mostly gets used for the maintenance purposes. Means if you have some machines or computer which are located remotely, you can access those by using TeamViewer, and you can perform maintenance tasks using this TeamViewer tool. So you do not need to go there physically. Up here we have several options. In view bar we have a different option here. We can scale our screen, we can have screen resolution, and if I go to my files and extra, here we can record the session as well. So how cool it is that we can install the session which we have performed in the TeamViewer as well. So we can use that for the later purposes if needed. So now I will just click on this cross. So what will happen? It will close the connection with my other machine. So I will just click on it. So now our connection has been closed. Here, if I click on remote management section, here we will have more options from TeamViewer. And if I go into my meeting section, here what I can do, I can create a meeting or I can join a meeting. So if you want to join some meeting, you just need to enter the meeting ID, and after that just click on join and you will be able to join that meeting. And after meeting, we have several other sections as well. So this is how you can use TeamViewer in your Windows. To use TeamViewer in your Mac operating system, the process is 100% same. There is no need to worry about. If you know how to use TeamViewer on Windows, it will be very easier for you to use TeamViewer on your Mac. So that's it for this video. In this video, we talked about how to use TeamViewer on Windows or Mac. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Please leave a like and subscribe to our channel. And if you have something to ask, please leave a comment below. We will see you in another video. Till then, take care.